Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chart on Google Sheets. So to do this is really simple. So here we want to select our chart that we're going to make and then go to insert. The fifth one is going to be charts, and then from there you're just going to have to select what type of chart you want to look like. So you want a column, line, smooth line, combo chart for example, and you can do very much more. So this can be applicable to many types of applications in different industries. It just depends on where and what you're using it on. So let's just say we're gonna use a total like this, or maybe just a graph like this, just simple. So you want your series, sales series to be here, and you can edit it whenever you want. So here you can just move it wherever you want, and there you go. It's just that simple. So if this was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.